Hi guys, welcome back. Right, week off this week, so I might do a few videos I thought while I'm watching the football. Ideal time to be off work when the football's on. I thought I'd have a go at picking this Greenteq Euro. I guess it's 5 or 6, I don't know. I can't be asked to count them half the time. What is it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Alright, it's 6. It's 6. So I'm just going to roll a fag. And we'll see if we can get it open. I dug out my Sparrow's pinning mat because my pinning tray is still full up with GGs and crap. Okay, so enough waffle. Let's try and get this bugger open. Got a Mad Bob's pry bar, 0.8mm. Let's just get sorted. Okay, let's have a feel. Let's find a pick. Secure Pro. Might be a bit deep, that one actually. Let's go for a Gozo. Not too deep. Have a feel. So 3. Nice click. In 1. Battery's running out on the camera. In 4. 5. Back on 3. Open. Right, I'm going to have to stop and charge the battery on the camera, so I'll come back to do a gutting. Alright guys, cheers. Alright guys, right, I've just charged my camera battery up for about 5 minutes. I'm hoping it will be long enough for me to gut this Greenteq lock. Try and do it really quickly. I've got a feeling it's just got spools in it, although I didn't really feel them when I picked it. Seemed a really easy pick. Oh, nearly lost it all then. Okay, let's get this out. There we go, it's a 6 pin. So look at these pins. Pin 1. Oh, hang on. Got anti-drill pins. Oh well, I might as well get them out as well. 2 anti-drill pins. Standard in 1. 2 standard. 3 standard. 4 standard. 5 standard. And 6 standard. Nothing unusual about the core. Oh, let's have a look at the drivers. Tweezers. Okay, so pin 1 standard. Pin 2 spool. Pin 3 spool. Pin 4 standard. Pin 5 standard. And pin 6 also standard. All the springs are the same, I'm guessing. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. A lot of shit come out of it then. Standard in 1, 4, 5 and 6. Little springs. That was the Greenteq 6-pin Euro cylinder. Alright guys, nice easy one today. See you later. Cheers.